Hey guys, Liam here from Free Roam Fit Outs. Bit of a different scenery today. We're here at the workshop. Pretty stoked to show you guys what we've done behind us. We have the big Dodge Ram 2500 heavy duty. Usually we don't get to do many canopy fit outs. Most of the times we're doing our van conversions, but we love when we do get the opportunity because they're awesome fun to work on, and hopefully we get to do a few more in the future. We're really stoked with how it came together, and I'm pretty keen to show you guys what we've done with it. So let's get on into it. Alrighty, let's start off with the driver's side canopy. So go ahead and open that one up. First up, we have our hardcore light up the top. We have a little control panel here. It can change the color. You get the tri-colored there, and also dimmable, so we can dim that down, brighten it back up if need be. So pretty good feature to have there. We have a drawer and a little pegboard on a slide out tray. So first up, we'll open up this. Now the design behind this one is, it's a work and play sort of system. So all your Makita battery chargers can go on here. Your batteries will be able to mount up top, and then your actual charger down here. And then you actually have an area still to either work on or store tools on, or if you're camping, whatever else you want to put on there. So that one can slide in and out, lock in position, and then just go away and be locked back in there. Underneath that, we have a good sized storage drawer, again, for either the tools when you're working, or if you're going camping, tools out, loaded up with all your camping equipment. On top here, we've got our GPO and a USB-C point. So we can turn the inverter switch on, have that live, that can charge all the batteries or any other 240 equipment that you need to run will work off that GPO there. So all in all, you know, for a small space, we've fit a lot in, made it functional, all finished off in marine carpet on top, and all on the lock and drawer sides that we use. So came together pretty well. Alrighty, so passenger side of the Dodge. First up, it's a Bronco built canopy. It's come up really nice. I think a little bit of custom work went into it to fit. The client uses the back half for a bit of storage and sometimes sleep in the back as well. So we've just fitted out all the front section, and we'll show you what we've done on the passenger side. So lifting that one up. First up again, we've got the hardcore light up there, multicolored, dimmable, exact same as the other side. And then on top, you can see there's the Bushman's 85 litre fridge freezer with their fridge box as well. So that fits in really nicely, and loads of storage for a fridge with a canopy of this size as well. So underneath, we'll pull the drawer out. Again, awesome bit of storage for where they are camping or working out of. And then from that, you can pull the extension out, and we have a nice timber table there. So when we're out camping, cooking on that, you've got all your bits and pieces in there. You can have the drawer closed as well, so it doesn't have to be open. We can have that one closed up, and then the table can be locked out in position. So a pretty cool feature to have there. We have our electrical panel up in there. It is powered up with a 200 amp hour, the whole system's powered by a 200 amp hour lithium battery. We've got it paired up with a 2000 watt inverter and the 25 amp hour DC to DC charge there. 300 watt solar panel on the roof. So, and plenty of solar power there to, when you pull up, it'll charge the system and keep you off grid there. Also charges off the car while it's driving. We've got our inverter switch there on this side, so turn it on and off, the Jeep, all the power points will then be live. So we've got another power point over here to run a coffee machine or something, either on the bench or on the table. USBs, we've got our battery monitor, easy access to our fuse panel, and everything right there, nice and accessible. Finished off with a marine carpet on the top and on that pegboard there too. So really stoked with how much we've been able to fit in, how organised, clean and tidy it's all come together, and yeah, the overall functionality of the whole system works really well. So yeah, we couldn't be happier with how it all come together. Alrighty guys, that's a wrap on the Dodge Ram 2500 build. Like I said earlier, we're super stoked to be able to do something slightly different to what we usually do with the vans. But yeah, really happy to show what we can do with the fit outs, and hopefully in the future we get the opportunity to do a few more, because they're super fun to work on, and we love a challenge in working with a small space and getting as much as we can in there, still making it functional. So hope you guys enjoyed it. We've got some really cool videos coming up before the end of the year. We've got the tiny home part 2. We've got this massive Sprinter here, which is going to be our last build for the year. So really excited to share what we can do with that as well. So thanks for the support, and stay tuned for some more vids coming. Cheers guys.